smokehouse, as we call it. Was built on the original smokehouse site, and this is more or less a workshop yard storage shed. Going to be a little difficult to show you much, but hopefully you'll be able to get a view. This is a workbench. As you can see, it goes on past almost to the back. And you have a little bit more workspace and more or less all storage space. And then, of course, storage space in the overhead. And there's quite a bit of height up there. You could actually stand up in the center, walk around a little bit. Storage underneath the main workbench. Sorry about the clutter, but it is what it is at this point. Hope that helped.